The US stock market is escalating its correction in anticipation of the Fed's policy meeting. All key stock indexes closed in the red last week. On the contrary, the US dollar is asserting strength. The market has lost nearly 3% from the strongest levels this year. Nevertheless, this is still a minor decline relative to its dazzling rally. The market could develop a steeper correction. So, it does not make sense for investors to hurry up with the long positions. It would be better to wait for the signs to confirm that the correction is over. Now let's discuss in detail what is going on in the market and with the US currency. On Friday, the S&P500 failed to continue growth above a 50-day moving average, so the index fell below this crucial level for the first time since mid-July. The S&P500 shed 1% intraday, closing on Friday. On Monday morning, futures on the S&P500 extended their slide, having lost another 0.8%. Meanwhile, the index is trading at about 4,433. As we predicted earlier, the overall downward correctional is escalating on Wall Street. Hence, the index is likely to move steadily towards the lower border of the range between 4,390 to 4,450. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to announce a new stage in monetary policy. In particular, the regulator wants to dial down massive economic stimulus and shift towards neutral policy. These hawkish prospects are beneficial for the US dollar. Amid such expectations, the US dollar has jumped to its highest in 4 weeks. Keeping on its growth, the greenback is holding the upper hand over the euro. The US dollar index closed at 93.40 on Friday. The expected range is between 93 and 93.40. Currently, the index is going too deep because of a technical correction. On the back of the greenback's advance, the USD CAD pair is trading higher. The loonie cannot find support either from soaring oil prices or elevated prices of natural gas. The USD CAD pair climbed to 1.2810. It may hold in the corridor from 1.2780 and 1.2850, so the currency pair is likely to continue its growth. Bitcoin was not able to consolidate above $48,500 over the weekend. It began a new trading week with losses. The whole crypto market is trading in the red. This scenario was predicted in our previous forecast. Altcoins look rather weak, sustaining heavier losses than Bitcoin. Liquidity is fading in altcoins. If you have got our forecast right, you should already have fixed at least some profit. Now let's make a conclusion about the current market conditions. American trading floors have been hit by massive sell-offs of futures on the US stock indexes, while the US dollar is picking up steam. The S&P 500 is extending its downward correction. Chinese and European stock markets plummeted today. This week, market participants are looking forward to the Fed's policy decisions, economic forecasts, and the press conference. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.